Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and inexpensive window box for herbs. I'm just starting with a couple of cedar boards left over from another project. And you'll only need basic tools and galvanized nails. You'll need a hammer, you'll need a handsaw, you'll need a square, and that's about all. And of course in the bottom you'll want to be sure to put in the drainage holes. So let's start. As you can see, I've mounted my herb window box just outside the kitchen, and this is a great location for a couple of different reasons. First, it's convenient for cooking. Second, it's a good location because of the sun and a great place to grow herbs, in fact. And third, it offers a great opportunity to teach the kids about herbs, how to grow them, and how they're used in cooking. So let's plant this up. Let's use just a few, and you should use whatever herbs you like the best. But let's use a few that I kind of like. First of all, let's use the winter savory. And of course, we've got to loosen that root system. You can see it's very, very matted. Winter savory has a peppery flavor, and it's ideal for meats and for sauces and for soups too. And look at the beautiful foliage of it. And then second here, let's use Greek oregano, and everybody knows what oregano is good to use for, but this one has a stronger flavor than the common oregano. And we'll just put it in next, and look at a great texture combination here between the two. And then third, we'll use the golden sage, which is ideal for pork, poultry, and cheese. And look at that great foliage color as well. Really a nice herb. And then fourth here, we'll use garlic chives, and garlic chives are ideal for garnishing soups, poultries, and of course vegetables as well. And it gives it yet another foliage texture. And then last here, we'll use the rosemary. And rosemary, of course, has a great aroma, has a nice growth habit too, but it's used mainly in fish, any meats, and of course soups as well. And we'll just put it in here. It's the very last one. So you can see here, outside this very sunny window, kitchen window, we have all these herbs ready to use. All you have to do is come and pick them. They don't take a lot of care in such a location. All you have to do is really watch the watering, because herbs thrive a lot on neglect. What a great idea.